Hey, what's going on, y'all? Okay, so got the kayak all rigged up. I got to put my life vest on. I'm actually going to take a few casts out here just to get started because I saw some stuff popping. But yeah, I'm excited. We're at Shearon Harris. You can tell by the smokestack over there. It's a power plant lake. It's water levels have been high from what I read, so I don't know. We'll see how it works out. But yeah, I'm very, very excited. I'm gonna get out here and see what we can catch. Hopefully we can get into a big one, but won't know until I try, right? But get out here. I got spinner bait on, wacky rig, and then whopper popper. So we'll see. I see fish, so I gotta get to fishing. The sun is climbing already. Look at that. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and that's how high the sun is. Like I said, I'm gonna I saw some stuff popping, so before we even get in the old yak, we're gonna try this real quick. See if there's anything cruising up in here. Something just popped out there. I think they're in here. This area right here. Alright, well, that was almost a backlash. Feels good to be on the water. It's actually not bad out right now. It's not too hot. I'm sure that sun's gonna change. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna work this ledge here with a square bill. It's a shad pattern. Turned around here first. This is actually Jonas's square bill, so if I catch a fish on it, Jonas, thank you. I think I'd let him borrow one of my lures or something, and it ended up in my box, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Get back over to this ledge right here. Alright, got one. Oh, barely hooked. Yes. Right on the ledge, right where I thought it would be. Good feeling. Good, awesome feeling. Now if I could just get you unhooked, we'll be good to go. You got all kinds of twisted up. There we go. Are you serious? Alright, so this one's got something stuck. Oh, it's like another fish or something. It's got something stuck in its belly. No, I'm not gonna be able to get that. Alright. There she goes. Good old square bill on the rocks. So I was just bumping it along the rocks here. Sweet. First fish of the day. Only took like an hour and a half to get away from these rocks. Alright, I'm still searching these points and stuff for some more bass. Just keep on it, I guess. Got him. Ah, come on. There's a cormorant, or cormorant, however you want to say it. There's one. Gonna fly. Oh, that's nice. Okay. It told us exactly what it thinks. Alright, y'all. So this was my spot for lunch. Stopped right here. It's nice and shady. There's the old yak. Weed cover just in case I need to hide from somebody. I'll stop. Anyway, my crackers were stale, so that kind of sucked, but I'm full. I ate a pretty good snack lunch. That's what Jesse and I call it. But I'm gonna get back on the water. If I go across the way right here and down a few openings, I can go back in there and then maybe find a good spot. I don't know. Still, it's like, it's not even 12 o'clock. I think it's like 10:30 or something like that, 10:45 at the latest. It might be 11, I don't know. But anyway, I have plenty of time. It's not like I have to be home at any certain time, but I'm gonna go over there and check that out. Whew, okay, that's it. It's a little after 12 o'clock. Kayak is beached. It got really hot out and I am fixing to go home because I got a 2.5 hour drive to get back home. This isn't the end of the video. There will be more, so stay tuned and try to catch something else. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. All right, we are back. We're gonna do some saltwater. Came down, we hit high tide. It's still not too deep right here, but right out there is Sharktooth Island, which we are going to kayak, I think, next weekend, maybe. That's Keg Island, all the way out there. But we're gonna go out here, do some saltwater fishing. Yesterday was fun, but this is gonna be really fun because it's not gonna be, well, it is 1,000,000 degrees, but I'm gonna be in the water, so it's not gonna be bad. But let's get out there and try to catch a flounder, red drum, black drum, something. I don't know. Speckled trout. Alright, y'all, I switched over to a white bucktail jig because that is like the only thing I can catch anything on these days when I'm saltwater fishing. But hey, if it works, right? Alright, y'all, I hooked into something. I don't know what it is. I haven't seen it yet. Oh, it's a flounder. Oh, that's cool. It's a good size flounder. We were just talking about that too. If I can... Oh! That's awesome. Well, technically you caught him. I forgot you had a net or I would have grabbed it. That's cool. Thank you. That was a good flounder. That was a keeper. You guys want to take this party down to Carolina Beach State Park? There's one. Sure. It's a flounder. You ready? You ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here comes. Yep.
What's that name one?
No, that's a smaller one.
Beach State Park.
That's a little one.
I think he's big. I never caught a flounder before.
All right, hold him right there.
Okay.
My pliers in there.
Yeah, that's flop. Hold the night tight. Can I release him?
Yeah, you want to let him go? There he goes. Alright, well, the fishing's good here, but the kids are bored, so we're gonna go. Oh, and we have porpoises. There are porpoises out there. Here, watch. They're right where that boat just passed. Ooh, maybe they'll come in here.
Maybe.
They're right. I just saw them right there. There were two of them. Alright, so I have a quick question for y'all. How many of y'all, honestly, you can comment down below, how many of y'all would walk this? I can barely see the bottom. I'm not really running. There isn't a great risk of alligators right here. I mean, it's always a risk anywhere you go that's water related in North Carolina, but I mean, I can see a good ways. But anyway, that set aside, how many of y'all would do this? Honestly. To me, it's fun. Just go out. It's almost like bass fishing, but saltwater. I have a lot of fun doing this. I think a lot of these fish that I see jumping and stuff are actually mullet. I'm not 100% sure. The only thing I have to watch out for is, which I'm wearing Crocs, so it's not as big of a deal, but I have to watch out for, oh, they want to skate or something. Ooh, I wonder if that was a flounder. It went that way. Might be worth trying to, it's probably a skate or a stingray. Anyway, there's always the possibility of sharks, but always a possibility. All right, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed the video. That's what we're gonna call it for the weekend. That's a good weekend. Got to go out on the kayak to Shearon Harris Reservoir yesterday. Caught bass. Came out to do some saltwater. Went to 4 different spots for saltwater and caught some stuff too. So yeah, not a bad day. Not a bad day at all. Not a bad weekend actually. Anyway, look at that. It's so pretty. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure that you hit the like button if you like the video. Make sure that you share the video out for me. That helps to spread the channel around. Make sure that you comment down below. I love reading the comments. And make sure you subscribe. I'd appreciate that a lot. The number's climbing. That's all we have to do is keep that number climbing. But yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you. Take care.